Mary Wollstonecraft's A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, published in 1792, being one of the first texts that addresses women's rights. Remember what we said before, in this whole section, the most important thing is always to identify the subject and the verb for the main clause. Is there a verb here for the main clause? There's no verb in this whole thing. Okay, so let's see, A is wrong, there's no verb. B can be correct, there is a verb, was. Okay, let's see. This book, Mary's book, published in 1792, was one of the first texts to address women's rights. Sounds beautiful, but let's double check. C, published in as one of the first texts that address. Nope, there's no, address is a verb, but because of the that, it's in a subordinate clause. So there's still no verb for a main clause. You cannot have a sentence without a verb in the main clause. So this is wrong. Mary Wollstonecraft's A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, comma, it was published in 1792. That's run-on. It does not make sense. You do not have two subjects. Mary Wollstonecraft's A Vindication, that's a subject. It is a subject. That's wrong. E, Mary Wollstonecraft's one of the first texts published, same as above. There's no verb in the main clause here. That addresses, this is a verb, but with the that, this is a subordinate clause. There's no main clause. There's no verb in the main clause. You need a verb in the main clause, and B is the only one that has it, the word was.